Si tuviera que elegir mi aspecto favorito de esta selva de concreto, dejaría de lado la locura de sus habitantes y su calidad de vida, su metro caótico, multiculturalidad y sus colores. Si tuviera que descartar todos y elegir uno solo, sería la escena musical. Para mi fortuna, mi amiga Adrienne vive en Bushwick, un barrio en Brooklyn donde se respira música. Nació en Canadá y se mudó a Nueva York después de la universidad. Dado su estatus de ilegal, comenzó haciendo trabajos de pintura y tocando en distintas bandas, y fue hasta 6 años después que consiguió su visa de trabajo y se le abrieron puertas en algunas orquestas. Dado que mi visita fue algo improvisada, la mayoría de mis planes giraron alrededor de los suyos. La acompañé a sus clases en Bank Street, una escuela con un modelo educativo progresista, en donde los alumnos pueden elegir rock band como una materia a cursar, y en donde supuestamente jugué el rol de asesor de español. Porque el Señor me la quitó. Si algo te doy para pudrición, debo también te puedo para estar con mi amor.
I just got a set of wheels, which is like a rite of passage for New York bass players, you know. I was just carrying it before, but this makes the commuting a lot more smooth, I think. You know, you see bass players all over the city, actually, and you sort of, it's this moment of like solidarity, like, yeah, man, trucking your bass around.
Esta es una escena súper neoyorquina, creo. Es súper bonito ver a las palomas mensajeras. Y estábamos mirándolas y recordé el capítulo de Hey Arnold. Era un gran fan de Hey Arnold. El capítulo del hombre paloma. ¿Qué pedo? Fui el único que quedó como impresionado con ese capítulo.
They call them homing pigeons. In wartime, they basically would walk ahead of the big army, and then if there was danger, they would send a note back, and these birds can like get back like miles and kilometers behind them to send a message back to the main people saying like danger ahead, all clear. And now I don't know, other than culturally, like Puerto Rican people live in this neighborhood, and they seem to be the bird whisperers that train these birds. I guess that cartoon that you were talking about plays on that, right? The type of person that would keep a whole bird coop. You know, those birds need to be fed. My neighbor, he does get out there on the roof and trains them, and he waves a stick around. It's like a dance. I don't know if I ever told you this, but the very first band I ever played in, the very first rock band, was called Skyfish. And it was because the singer, he was traveling with his nephew, and they looked at a bunch of birds like that, and the little kid said, they look like skyfish, and he always remembered that, and that was the name of the very first band I played in. It definitely reminds me of when I was in Mazunte, and I was snorkeling, and I was, you know, above a big school of fish, and then a big wave would come and move us, and I'd be floating, and my body and the whole fish would move according to the ocean, and the movement of the birds, it reminds me of that. I feel like I finally understand after the summer what he meant, because the way that these birds move, like, looks like fish to me, like fish in the sky.